Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Faceit Anti-Cheat error. Alright, let's begin. First, delete the Faceit client from your computer. To do that, go to the Windows icon at the bottom of the screen, right-click on it, and a new menu will open up. Inside it, get to the top, and then click on the Installed Apps feature. Here, all of the software that are currently installed on your device will be displayed. Simply, search for Faceit, click on the three dots, and then select Uninstall. Now for the second step, get to the search bar at the bottom and open Run. Inside it, type in %local app data %, and then give it a go. Next, find the Faceit folder and delete it from this folder. Once done, you can go to your web browser, access faceit.com, and then download a fresh version. So that's basically how you can fix Faceit Anti-Cheat error. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.